Mas ma-threaten kayo pag ang straight maging lasing. Kasi malay mo, lalabas ang kanyang pagkabading. Oh my gosh! Hello mga mads! Yes, welcome back to another video. And for those who don't know me, my name is Burns J. I'm proudly Cagayanon and welcome to my channel. Okay mga mads, for this video, I will be reacting to this statement.
Lalaki pa din sila. May instinct yan. And you're, lalo na if you're, under the influence of intoxicating alcohol. Tapos kung meron pang presence of drugs, lalo na.
You know what mga mads? I'm 37 years old. I'm turning 38 this March 6. I'm so gay my whole life. And I just would like to inform everyone na pag ang bakla ay nalasing, ito ang mga ginagawa niya. We're flowing like a stream running for each other all the ways of love. If a gay guy if a gay guy gets drunk, please take note that we won't be looking for women or we won't be looking for girls. We will be looking for boys. We will be looking for boys. When we get drunk, we sing Britney Spears, Mariah Carey, Whitney Houston, Toni Braxton, Sarah Geronimo, Regina Velasquez, Beyonce knows, and every diva in the music industry. We will be reaching that specific note that Mariah Carey whistles. But I'm so English. Why I am so English? Because, you know what guys? Nahihirapan talaga ako mag-Tagalog. Nahihirapan talaga ako managalog kasi alam nyo, my native language is Bisaya. So my friends told me that when I speak in YouTube, I have to speak English or Filipino lang so that I will be able to convey my message to the whole Philippines and to the world. But anyway, when a gay person gets drunk, that person will be a very good dancer.
I am what I am. Sometimes the ace, sometimes the juices. It's one life and there's no turning back.
Of course, I'm here to defend my kasamahan sa pananampalataya, di ba? Like, I know that my statements won't help solve the case, but at least I'm giving you clues. I just don't know why PNP came up with such statement. Sir, para namang wala kayong baklang mga kaibigan dyan, di ba? Like, grabe naman kayo pag gumawa kayong ganyang statement. You know what mga mads? You know what mga sir? Kahit 10 babae pa yung ilapag nyo sa mukha namin, ayaw namin ng tahong ni Carla. Ang gusto namin, ang talong ni Joshua.
Oh, talong, kumakalog-alog, kumakalog-kalog, ang talong ni Joshua.
Mas ma-threaten kayo pag ang lalaki maging lasing. Mas threaten kayo pag ang lalaki... Nahirapan talaga ako mag-Tagalog. Mas ma-threaten kayo pag ang straight maging lasing. Kasi doon lalabas ang kanyang pagkabading. Oh my gosh! Oh, diba? Like, you know what guys? I know myself better than anyone else. I'm straight. Straight talaga ako. Straight na bayot. Pero guys, I hope na this explanation will give you peace of mind that gay people are happy. And I guess gay people are safe and fun to be with. But it would be much better if you know your circle so well and you know the people around you. That's very important yun. Pag you are in if you are in a party or mga ganon yung ginawa ni Christine Dacera ba, yung ganyan pasensya talaga. Pasensya talaga guys, no? Kasi nahihirapan talaga ako managalog. So, please understand me. If you don't understand me, then kayo na mag-adjust. Anyway, so ayun, I just hope and pray that the case will be solved very soon. Or kung hindi man siya ma-solve, at least may mga clues or evidences na lalabas pa so that, you know, para na rin kay Christine na manahimik na yung kaluluwa niya. O, diba? So, ayan, sa mga kabaklaan, katulad ko, relax lang tayo mga sis. Alam nyo naman, ang mga bakla, mahilig sa limelight or spotlight, diba? Grabe talaga yung bakla, no? They are fighting for their LGBTQIA rights. Very influential siya sa entertainment world. But, yung mga bakla din, isa sa mga most discriminated people in the world. So, napakasakit talaga. Pero, yeah, I hope and pray that the case will be solved very soon. I also pray for my sisters. Laban lang tayo mga sis. Oo, laban lang tayo mga mads. So, ayan ha, next time ha, pag mag-party kayo, wag na kayong magda-drugs. Oo, ano na lang, holding hands, mga lips to lips, so mga ganyan na lang. Wag na yung mga drugs. Uy, Diyos ko, hindi naman siya necessary sa isang party. So anyway, so yun lang yung reaction ko, no? I hope to see you on my next video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and follow my Facebook page. Yes. And don't forget to follow me sa Instagram account ko. Char! So, hanggang sa susunod, this has been Burns J, ang pambansang skein. Bye-bye!